Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making stew, and this is tomatoes, onions and goat meat, and this one is pomo, cow skin, and this is our body, they call it our body, and this is curry leaf, and this one is Maggi, you know me. This is thyme and curry powder and spices, Maggi cube, tomatoes. I'm going to be using these tomatoes. So let's get to this. So I will start by boiling the meat. I'm gonna add all the ingredients like Maggi cube, curry, thyme. I will not be adding the curry now, I'll be adding later. This is thyme, salt, and some onions. So I just need to stir it first. So I will start by blending the tomatoes. So I will boil these tomatoes, because if you didn't boil it, there will be a lot of water on it. So I will be boiling it for some, let's say 30 minutes. You see, everything is ready now. And it's good you stir this stew every minute. So I'll be adding these tin tomatoes so we can have this reddish color. So I'll cover for 5 minutes with low heat. Stir every minute. So after 5 minutes again, then I'll add all the ingredients, all the curry, spices, everything you need to add. If you are thinking, how will I know when the tomatoes is ready? You will see the oil pumping. So you will know that this is ready. So I will be removing some oils. You see, there's so much oils now because the tomatoes is ready. So I will be leaving it for more 2 minutes, then the stew will be ready. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now so you can see more recipe. Thank you so much for my old subscribers. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video.